How to upload files from iPhone to Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can upload files from iPhone to Google Drive, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to upload files from iPhone to Google Drive, first of all, make sure you download the Google Drive application first. After you launch the Google Drive app, if you want to upload a certain file, you can find the plus icon located at the bottom right, and you can make sure to tap on that icon here. Whether it is a folder or whether it is a file, you can tap the upload option and just select browse. Now once you select browse, select a document that you would like to upload depending upon what you want. Whatever else it is that you want to upload, whether a photo, file or format or PDF files, JPG files, whatever else, those will get automatically saved. Now you can just come to this tab and then you should be able to find the recents tab as well as all of the files that you've added. This way you can upload files from iPhone to your Google Drive. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.